Good afternoon, ISF. How can I help?
The FP0 FP7 system is a fire-rated lacquer and paint system that uprates non-rated 12mm plus MDF with a non-rated hardwood veneer and non-rated glue to BS 476 Part 6 fire propagation and Part 7 surface spread of flame, giving full formal certification to Building Regulation Class 0 for use on radiant wall panels in public buildings, especially fire exits. The system incorporates hydroscopic technology, which in the event of a fire, utilizes moisture in the surrounding air to assist in retarding the fire propagation and spread of flame along the surface of the finished panel. This can clearly be seen when comparing the fire damage sustained in an untreated panel after only 30 seconds, to the much lower level of damage in a treated panel after more than a minute's exposure to fire. To prepare the FP0 for use, start by mixing Part A and Part B in equal amounts. Stir the mixture fully before use. At this stage, the container with the mixture can feel warm to the touch. This is perfectly normal and is not something to worry about. Apply a dust coat of FP0 to the substrate being coated. If using a wet film gauge, then apply 6 to 12 microns only. If measuring in weight, then apply 5 to 5.5 grams per square foot. This equals a spread rate of 8 square meters per liter. At the above spread rate, the FP0 base coat will be sandable in 30 to 40 minutes. As a rule, if the base coat is taking longer than 1 hour before it can be sanded, the coating weight is too heavy and needs to be lowered by closing the spray gun needle. Because of the high solids in the material, the sanded base coat will give a superbly smooth finish even at the lower gram weight. Because the FP0 is a hydroscopic coating, it should never be left overnight without an FP7 overcoat, as it will draw moisture from the air during the night and will be wet again the following morning. To prepare the top coat, mix FP7 9 parts A with 1 part B. Use a small amount of FP7 thinner as required, depending on application equipment. Apply a medium to heavy coat and allow to dry overnight before packing. If a superior finish is required, a second coat can be applied, but the first coat must be left overnight to dry before being recoated. Please denib before adding the second coat of FP7 top coat. Formal contractor certification is available for a 2 and a 3 coat finishing system. If a colored paint system is required, then apply a coat of FP7 primer onto the FP0 clear base coat. Once this is dry, denib and apply a further coat of FP7 top coat to achieve the desired color. For any queries, please contact technical@isf.co.uk. Always mix correct part A with correct part B. Always use both products within their pot life. Once opened, the FP0 must be used within 3 months. Allow FP0 3 hours drying before overcoating with the FP7. Allow overnight drying before applying a second coat of FP7. If using an air-assisted pump to apply the FP0, always clean down with neat part B before water, or else the pump can become seized. Never mix incorrect part Bs. Never use out of pot life. That's 5 hours for FP0 and 24 hours for FP7. Never use thinner or solvent in FP0. Don't leave the FP0 overnight without applying an FP7 top coat.